Today we're exploring one of the hottest trends for 2024, muted color palettes. If you're a graphic design enthusiast or just curious about the latest trends in the creative community, stick around. Muted colors have been quietly making their mark in the design world for a while now. So what exactly are muted colors and why are they becoming the go-to choice for graphic designers in 2024? Simply put, muted colors refers to all colors that are low in saturation. Unlike bold and vibrant hues, muted colors bring a sense of sophistication and subtlety to brands and designs. They definitely create a calm and timeless aesthetic that resonates with, a broad audience. Okay, so now let's talk about why muted colors are gaining so much popularity among graphic designers. We recently experienced a period of highly experimentation in graphic design. Bright colors, trippy typography, bold shapes, they made their statement in 2023. For sure. Trends tend to come and go, and what we are witnessing now, it's a trend cycle. It's normal. We've been through this. If I had to guess, I'd say that brands are probably gonna take a break from, the hyper busy visuals for the next years. However, muted colors, in a way, they work in favor of a timeless aspect. Let's take the Burger King logo from the 70s. The whole brand feels very current and contemporary, right? So contemporary that they recently decided to rebrand the visuals to something very similar of how it looked back then. Now let's compare the colors they used in the 1999 logo and the colors they use now in 2023. Interesting, right? So also, in a world full of bold visuals, muted colors offer a break, a refreshing break. They reduce visual fatigue and somehow make designs more accessible and enjoyable for viewers over a long, extended period of time. Now let's see how muted colors can convey different emotions and evoke different moods, just so I prove to you that muted colors are actually versatile. Alright, pay attention to how the colors here bring trust and sophistication to this retro brand design. The whole feeling is very serious, but the blue tone pops visually and brings a touch of coziness. I like the color choice here. Meanwhile, in this boutique brand, you can sense a more casual vibe. Notice how the contrast here with the green tone makes the whole difference in the brand. This color palette here, to me, is the most interesting one because the green specifically, notice how it is very light, but it isn't bright. I love how the designer, instead of going for a neon green, like this, chose to go with a baby neon green, like this one in the color palette. Quick reminder that all of those beautiful templates I just showed you were made 100% in Kittl and are available as editable templates. Cool, right? If you haven't signed up for Kittl yet, use the link in the description. Okay, now if you're ready to incorporate muted colors into your designs, you might want to consider those 3 quick tips before you create your color palette. First, achieve balance by combining muted colors with bright tones. This contrast definitely adds some visual interest to your color palette and prevent your design to look too dull and monotonous. I mean, no one likes beige over beige, right? Second, experiment with textures. Yeah, this is interesting. This is going to add a little bit of depth to your design, and muted colors work exceptionally well with textures. They create a tactile and, inviting sensorial/visual experience. It's very cool. And third, think about the mood you want to convey. How I already talked about earlier, muted colors are versatile and they can evoke a big range of emotions, from calm and serene to casual to sophisticated and professional. So think about that before crafting your color palette. Before we wrap up, make sure you check out the boho merch design video where we're going to be walking through and creating a muted color palette together. It's going to be fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kittl's YouTube channel, for more trend content, tips, and tutorials and design related content like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!